Hello there, health enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel, Health Uncovered. We're delighted to have you with us on this journey towards a healthier, happier life. Today's topic is one that affects many of us, bloating. But don't worry, we're here to help you uncover relief. We've compiled a list of the 10 best foods and exercises that can aid in alleviating uncomfortable bloating. So are you ready to say goodbye to bloating? Today, we will be unveiling the 10 best foods and exercises for bloating relief. So stick around and let's get started. We're diving right into the first group of foods that can help reduce bloating. Let's start with ginger. This aromatic spice has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its anti-inflammatory and digestive properties. It contains an enzyme known as zingibane, which aids in protein digestion and reduces inflammation in the gut, leading to less bloating. Sipping on some ginger tea or adding a dash to your food can be a great way to incorporate this bloating-busting superfood into your diet. Next on our list is peppermint. This refreshing herb isn't just for freshening breath, it's also a potent anti-bloating agent. Peppermint relaxes the muscles of your gastrointestinal tract, which can help gas pass more easily and reduce bloating. It's also been shown to relieve symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, including bloating. You can enjoy peppermint in a variety of ways, from a soothing tea to a refreshing salad garnish. Finally, we have cucumbers. These crisp, cool veggies are made up of about 95% water, which makes them a great hydrating food. Hydration is key in preventing bloating, as it helps your body to maintain a proper balance of electrolytes and flush out excess sodium. Cucumbers also contain an antioxidant called quercetin, which can help reduce inflammation and bloating. They're a perfect addition to salads, or you can simply enjoy them as a crunchy snack. Each of these foods carries its own unique benefits for reducing bloating. But remember, it's not just about what you eat, but also how you eat. Slow, mindful eating can also play a significant role in reducing bloating. Try to take the time to really enjoy these foods, savoring each bite and allowing your body to digest properly. So, ginger, peppermint, and cucumbers are the first 3 superfoods for our bloating relief arsenal. Continuing our food journey, we have 3 more bloating relief champions. First up, we have yogurt. But not just any yogurt. We're talking about the kind with live and active cultures. These cultures are actually beneficial bacteria that aid in digestion and help to reduce the excess gas that causes bloating. You see, when our gut flora is out of balance, it can lead to all sorts of digestive issues, including bloating. By consuming yogurt regularly, we can help to restore this balance, making our digestive systems happier and our bellies flatter. Just make sure to go for the unsweetened variety, as added sugars can counteract these benefits. Next on our list is papaya. This tropical fruit is not just delicious, it's also a powerhouse of digestive benefits. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which can assist in breaking down proteins in your stomach, promoting a smoother digestion process. In addition, papaya is high in fiber, which helps to prevent constipation and keep your digestive system running smoothly. Try adding some ripe papaya to your breakfast, or enjoy it as a refreshing snack during the day. Finally, we come to fennel seeds. These tiny seeds pack a big punch when it comes to bloating relief. Fennel has been used in traditional medicine for centuries to treat digestive issues, and modern science backs up these claims. The seeds contain compounds that have anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties, helping to relax the muscles in your digestive tract and reduce bloating. You can chew on a teaspoon of fennel seeds after a meal, or make a soothing tea by steeping them in hot water. Adding yogurt, papaya, and fennel seeds to our list, we now have 6 superfoods for bloating relief. To complete our list of superfoods, we have the final 4. Let's dive into the benefits of these bloating relief warriors. Firstly, we have avocados. These creamy delights are high in potassium, which helps regulate fluid balance to prevent bloating. Plus, they're packed with fiber to keep your digestive system moving smoothly. Next up are bananas. Bananas are another excellent source of potassium, and they also contain soluble fiber which can alleviate or prevent constipation and subsequently reduce bloating. Thirdly, we have watermelons. This juicy fruit is over 90% water, making it an excellent choice to help flush out excess sodium and reduce bloating. Lastly, almonds. These crunchy treats are rich in protein, healthy fats, and fiber. They can help keep you feeling full and satisfied, while their high magnesium content can aid in digestion and reduce symptoms of bloating. With avocados, bananas, watermelon, and almonds, we have our complete list of 10 superfoods for bloating relief. Now that we've covered foods, let's switch gears to exercises that can help with bloating. First up is yoga, an ancient practice of body postures, breathing exercises, and meditation. Yoga can be a great tool for managing bloating because it encourages the movement of gas through your system. Certain poses, like the seated forward bend or the child's pose, apply gentle pressure to the abdomen, which can stimulate digestion and relieve gas discomfort. Moreover, the deep, controlled breathing in yoga can help calm your nervous system, reducing stress-related bloating. Next, we have walking. It's a low-impact exercise that's easy to incorporate into your daily routine. When you walk, your abdominal muscles contract and relax in a way that can help move gas through your intestines. Plus, being upright can have an effect too. Gravity helps food travel through the digestive tract, so standing or walking after eating might aid digestion and reduce bloating. In fact, a brisk 20-minute walk after meals can do wonders for your digestive health. And finally, let's talk about cycling. Whether it's a leisurely ride around the park or an intense spin class, cycling can help beat bloating. Like walking, cycling involves rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the abdominal muscles, which can facilitate digestion and gas passage. It also increases your heart rate and breathing, boosting overall blood circulation. This, in turn, can speed up your metabolism and help your body break down food more efficiently, reducing the chances of bloating. So there you have it. Yoga, with its gentle poses and calming breathwork, walking, an easy-to-do exercise that uses the power of gravity and your own body's movements, and cycling, a fun and invigorating activity that boosts your metabolism and gets your blood pumping. Yoga, walking, and cycling, 3 exercises that can help you feel lighter and more comfortable. Last but not least, we have 2 more exercises for you. Swimming and Pilates, 2 exercises that might seem quite different at first glance, but they share a common goal, helping you relieve bloating and feel lighter, more comfortable. Let's dive into the details. Swimming is an all-around champion when it comes to promoting health and wellness. It's a full-body workout that strengthens your muscles, boosts your cardiovascular health, and yes, it can also help you manage bloating. How, you might ask? Well, swimming stimulates your digestive system. The constant movement and the pressure exerted by the water on your belly can help get things moving in your gut, reducing the buildup of gas that causes bloating. Plus, the buoyancy of the water can alleviate discomfort and pressure, making you feel more at ease. Now, let's turn our attention to Pilates. This exercise method focuses on core strength, flexibility, and mindful movement. Its emphasis on deep, controlled breathing and abdominal engagement is a game changer for bloating relief. As you engage your core during Pilates exercises, you are essentially giving your abdomen a gentle massage. This can help stimulate your digestive system and encourage the passage of gas. It's like an internal workout for your gut. Plus, the deep breathing techniques used in Pilates can also aid digestion and further alleviate bloating. So whether you prefer the rhythmic strokes of swimming or the controlled movements of Pilates, both exercises offer a pathway to bloating relief. They're not just good for your body's overall health and fitness, but they also address the discomfort and unease that come with bloating. Remember, the key is consistency. Incorporate these exercises into your routine, listen to your body, and give it what it needs. And of course, couple these exercises with a balanced diet, rich in anti-bloating foods, for the best results. Swimming and Pilates round up our list of exercises to help beat bloating. That's a wrap on our list of foods and exercises for bloating relief. We've journeyed through 10 remarkable foods and exercises that can help alleviate bloating. From the power of peppermint and ginger to the benefits of yoga and aerobic exercises, we've seen how small changes can make a big difference. Don't forget to subscribe to Health Uncovered for more health tips and tricks. Share with your friends and family and help them uncover relief too. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.